The news seems to be tightening not just around rape-accused cab driver Shiv Kumar Yadav, but also against the international ride-sharing service Uber, which hired his services. It has now emerged that Shiv Kumar Yadav is a serial sexual offender. Besides the rape case registered against him on Saturday morning, he was accused of raping a pub worker in Gurgaon in 2011 and was out on bail in another rape case registered in Mainpuri in Uttar Pradesh in 2013. Besides 3 rape cases, he's also been booked earlier under the Arms Act and the Gunda Act, apart from being accused of committing robbery as well as molestation.
सबसे पहले 2003 में 354-323 का मुकदमा थाना इलाहाबाद में कायम हुआ, जिसमें गिरफ्तार हुआ, इसमें चार्जशीट लगी। इस वक्त 2006 में 25 आर्म्स एक्ट में इसके खिलाफ मुकदमा किसनी में कायम हुआ, जिसमें गिरफ्तार हुआ, इसमें चार्जशीट लगी। 2013 में 394 और 376 का मुकदमा इसके खिलाफ कायम हुआ, थाना इलाहाबाद में, उसमें गिरफ्तार हुआ, इसमें चार्जशीट लगी है इसमें। और 2 गुंडा एक्ट इसके हुए हैं, एक 2003 में, एक 2009 में।
A Delhi court had remanded Shiv Kumar Yadav to 3 days of police custody on Monday. A charge of forgery has also been slapped on him for allegedly falsifying a character certificate purportedly issued by the Delhi police. On Tuesday, Delhi Police Commissioner briefed the Union Home Minister on the case in Parliament.
हमने जो एक केस दर्ज किया है, क्योंकि वो जो पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन सर्टिफिकेट दिखाया गया था वो गलत पाया गया, तो उसके लिए हमने एक FIR दर्ज की है। उसकी हम तफ्तीश करेंगे ताकि उसमें जो भी दोषी हैं उनको सजा दी जाए, इस व्यक्ति के अलावा।
The Delhi police has also cracked down on Uber. The US-based company has been booked for cheating and common intention. The Delhi Commission for Women has pointed out that Uber flouted various legal norms like not installing GPS in cabs provided under their service, hiring cab drivers without verification, and running the service without complying to the Delhi government guidelines, which led to the alleged rape. The Commission, which had summoned top officials of Uber Asia over the incident, said that the company executives have admitted that there were lapses on their part.
Is actually a horrific event that's happened. We are very sorry for this. We were here, we answered some questions from Mrs. Barkha and the people over here. You can ask her more about the investigation and what we have told her.
The National Commission for Women has issued a suo motu notice to the Delhi police in connection with the case, asking them to submit a report within 15 days, besides issuing a notice to Uber. This case has thrown up several questions on the lapses on the part of the Delhi Transport Department and lack of adequate patrolling by the police in the national capital, leave alone smaller cities and towns. DD News.